Hi friends, hope you're doing well. In this video, I will guide you how you can install Windows 11 26H2 if you want to perform the early installation. So it is available Windows Insider program. So how you can go there, because many people are facing the problem that you and are unable to go inside the preview section of Microsoft. So I will let you know in this video that how you can do that. So simply you need to type Windows 11 download, and you have to go onto the official website of Microsoft. And rather than scroll down, you have to just click onto the Windows Inside Preview, and you have to click here. And make sure you are logging through the uh, Microsoft email ID. So if you have any Outlook email of Microsoft or any Hotmail email, or if you don't have any email, so you can just go on to the hotmail.com or outlook.com, or you can create your free Microsoft email ID. And after that, you need to log in over here. Once you log in inside, then you will have all these options are available, and Windows inside a preview. So you have to scroll down it, scroll down it, scroll down it, and just you need to select your desired build. So for 26H2, the build is available basically 26300 8772 25H2. This is basically a build which is actual. After installation you will get 26H2. So I don't know why it is representing 25H2 still, but it is an experimental build, and keep remember this number. This is very important. And once you click on it, you will successfully download it 26H2 ISO. Just you need to click over here, confirm, and then you have to confirm the language, uh, English United States, confirm, and then finally you have to click onto the 64-bit download. So your downloading will be start instantly once you click on that. And once your ISO get downloaded, you need to just download the Rufus, or you can install ISO, because I have already created a lot of videos on that. So subscribe my channel, and you can check out my other videos as well. So through this way forward, you can easily perform Windows 11 26H2 installation, early installation. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and kindly forward to and family friends. Stay safe, and don't remember to subscribe my channel. Thank you.